Here's how to zoom in and out in CapCut PC. So I'll show you how to add a zoom in and out effect to a video in CapCut PC. So first, let's go ahead and drag the video to the timeline. Position the playhead where you want the zoom to begin and select the video clip in the timeline. In the top right corner under the basic setting, add a keyframe by clicking on the diamond icon which is beside the scale. Go ahead and tap on that. It should turn blue. Now next, move the playhead to where you want the zoom to end. In the top right corner, find the scale option and increase the scale to zoom in. And you can reposition the video while zooming by dragging it in the preview window as well. Make sure that the keyframe diamond next to the scale is blue and indicating a keyframe has been added. Now if you play the video, you'll see the zoom in effect added on it. To zoom out, find the point in the video where you want the zoom out to start and add a keyframe. Move the playhead to where you want the zoom out to finish and add another keyframe and decrease the scale to zoom out. Reposition the video in the preview if needed. Now you have both a zoom in and a zoom out effect on your video. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.